Private placement of debentures in India come fraught with risks. First of all, these are debentures which are usually issued to less than 50 people. However, many companies and debenture issuers tend to circumvent this requirement by issuing debentures up to 200 subscribers in multiple tranches of less than 50 people each. In addition, unlisted debentures which are circulated by way of private placement lack the oversight of SEBI because they are not listed. Time and again, several cases have come forward where in such cases, even the debenture trustee, who is supposed to look after the interests of the debenture holders, monitor the securities and ensure that there is proper oversight and that the interest is duly paid. In several cases, it has been observed that the debenture trustee himself has conspired with the company which is issuing the debentures, and this has resulted in severe loss of the debenture holders' assets. In fact, in several cases, debenture holders have either lost or come on the verge of losing their money because the debenture trustee suddenly switched securities. Such actions of a debenture trustee render it liable to a multitude aspect of litigation. For instance, if a person is a debenture holder and he and the debenture trustee has not looked after his interests properly, then the debenture holder has numerous remedies in this regard. He can file a complaint in the consumer forum against the actions of the debenture trustee. He can write to SEBI insisting that the debenture trustee be deregistered for acting in conflict with the debenture holder's interests. Further, the concerned debenture holder, if he feels that the debenture trustee has conspired with the company which issued the debentures and which led to loss of the value of his debentures, he can even perhaps approach the police and register an FIR under sections 406 and 420 of the IPC, which is for cheating and criminal breach of trust. Now, what also happens is that in such a case, any person who subscribes to debentures which are being issued by way of private placement, he should very critically read the prospectus, and first of all, he should be absolutely clear as to what the money is being raised for. If the purposes of the issuing company are not clear, like if the object of the money is vague or if the reason for raising the money is vague, then there should be a red flag. Second, the actions of the debenture trustee should also be monitored so that whatever property and assets which are pledged by way of debenture security, they are maintained in place and they are not switched behind the backs. Strong vigilance is an essential requirement for any financial investment, and in case of unlisted debentures which are circulated by private placement, the risk is even higher and therefore the need for more monitoring. I am Advocate Aditya Pratap and I hope you found this short video helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to write to me. Thank you.